short, I'm fine at the line, but the vibe is Newport. That mean I'm on all of the smoke for sure. I do thought provoke so I can rock the boat. When I slide by, like bye-bye, I'm the truth, like why lie? Pop up on them like why lie? I give the haters that side eye. New journey, new money, new season, I glowed up. All the times that I showed up, it's a rap, I got the game sold up. Man, hold up, let me talk my talk and get frank with them. They'll back when that tank hit them. The crew got my back if I can't get them. Y'all stay with them, cause they need assistance right now.
What if an ordinary workout could feel this dynamic? By combining the newly introduced fast cuts, beat-driven pacing and multi-frame effects in the Wondershare Filmora 15, I turned these simple workout clips into a much more energetic highlight edit. Multiple moments come together in the same frame while the speed ramp to beat adds impact right where the music hits. In this video, I will show you how I created this look in the Filmora 15 and how you can transform your own everyday footage into something much more engaging. First, I have imported all the workout clips in the video timeline. Then go to the effects tab. There is a new category called multi-frame. Now these effects are very special because you bring together all the clips in a video track into one frame with such animation and turn it into a more eye-catching and shareable piece. And along with music, it is spectacular. Now to apply one, you need to just drag and drop into a video track. Now there is something very unique about multi-frame effects. It will apply, that is, it will use all the clips in the video track 1, not just the part of video that is exactly below it. So as you can see, all the clips of video track 1 are here. If you double click the multi-frame effect, and there is an option to choose the track. So by default it's video 1, but you can choose other video tracks as well and put clips there. You can of course put multiple multi-frame effects on the same track and create different style of such animated videos using the same clips on the same track. If I want different multi-frame effects to have different clips, what I can do is I can put the clips in different tracks. For example, I'm placing 5 clips in video track 1 and 5 more in video 2. Now if I put any multi-frame effect on the upper track, double click it and select the video track I want to use, and for the next multi-frame effect I am changing the video track, that is video track 2. So we have different effects having different clips. I can also change the speed and also tweak when the multiple screens in the multi-frame appears. You can also apply mask if you want to show any particular part of those clips. This is the final layout, and I have also added a background for this multi-frame effect. Now let's talk about speed ramp to beat, that is another new addition to Filmora 15. So I have this clip. Now double click, and in the speed section there is a new option called beat ramping. It appears only after you select the clip, so make sure the clip is selected, and there are different modes which will apply to the beats. Now Filmora is processing the music and finding the beats. There you go, we have the beats on the music, and you can change the frequency. So at these beats, visual effects will be applied. You can also change from normal to faster or fastest, speed ramp speed, and also speed ramping can slow down or speed up your clips. You can also adjust the intensity.
Money, new season, I glowed up. All the times that I showed up.
Let me now show you the settings I have selected for the clips that you have seen in the beginning of the video. For these clips, I have chosen beat 2 for more frequent effects, and for the speed ramp speed, I have chosen the fastest. For speed ramping, I want the clips to be sped up, and finally the intensity, I have increased it a little bit to around 60%. Finally, for the theme, I chose Soul Out.
New season, I glowed up. All the times that I showed up.
For the next clip, I chose vertical blur.
Rap, I got the game sold up, man, hold up. Let me talk my talk and get frank with it.
For this clip, blur shake effect is applied.
Get frank with them. They'll back when that tank hit them.
Now, just to show you how normal speed ramp speed and also the slowdown speed ramping look, this is the output.
Can't get them, y'all stay with them, cause they need assistance right now. Gotta
It's good, but I like the faster theme, so let's change back to fastest and speed up.
If I can't get them, y'all stay with them, cause they need assistance right now.
Much better, and the theme is sold out. So this is how the timeline finally looks. I have different video tracks with different clips, then the multi-frame effects followed by the beat ramping clips. So definitely check these new features in the Wondershare Filmora 15 and make sure it's updated to version 15.7 where these new features are actually introduced. That's all in this video, guys. I hope that it was useful. Thank you so much for watching.